In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import website Squarespace. To begin, sign into your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you manage your website content, design, and settings. Make sure you are logged into the correct Squarespace account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one site. Starting from the dashboard helps you access the import tools quickly and keeps the process organized from the beginning. Once you are inside your Squarespace dashboard, go to Settings. The Settings area is where Squarespace keeps many of the important site management options, including tools for content migration. Take a moment to navigate carefully, so you select the right menu. This will help you avoid confusion and make the rest of the process smoother. Inside Settings, look for the option called Import and Export Content. Click on it to open the section that handles website imports. This is the part of Squarespace that lets you bring content over from another platform. If you are moving an existing site into Squarespace, this is the area you will use to get started. Next, click Import. This tells Squarespace that you want to bring in content from an outside source. After selecting Import, you will be asked to choose the platform your current website is coming from. It is important to choose the correct source, so Squarespace can read the content properly and map it as accurately as possible during the transfer. If your website is on WordPress, select WordPress as the source platform. You will then have the option to sign in using your WordPress credentials, so Squarespace can connect to your site and begin the import. If you prefer not to connect directly, or if your content has already been exported from WordPress, you can click Advanced. In that section, you can upload a manually exported XML file from WordPress instead. When using the XML upload method, make sure the file was exported correctly from WordPress before uploading it into Squarespace. This can help reduce errors and make the import process more reliable. Also, keep in mind that some content types or formatting may need a quick review after the import is complete, so it is a good idea to check your pages once everything finishes. That covers everything you need to know.